Hello everyone. Recently, rice water treatments, rice cosmetic products, rice DIYs have increased. Many of you would already know that rice has many benefits and rice is one of the main meal menu in Asian countries. Let us get into the main point. First, take 30 to 50 grams rice in a bowl. Wash the rice for at least 3 times to remove impurities. Do not think I am going to ask you to use the soaked rice water. Now soak the rice with some water for 15 minutes so that it will cook fast. Now add water the rice. Measure the water that is double or even triple the amount with which you measured the rice. If you used 5 spoonful rice, then add 10 or 15 spoon of water. Okay, now, boil the rice in medium flame. As soon as your rice cooked, let it cool. Now, filter and separate the cooked rice and the rice water. Keep the rice water in room temperature for half a day, warmer the room, the better. Then, keep your rice water into your refrigerator. We are not going to use it on the same day. Also, only rice water will not give the result. Do you guys think only the rice water will help your hair to grow? Or helping reduce hair fall? No, this is a 3-day process. Hair treatment process. Now, before day itself, wash your hair with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Do not make your hair dirt or put oil. This will count as 1 day. Second day is the day when you are making the rice water. Take the rice which you separated, add corn flour, it is optional, and add some yogurt, grind these and make it into paste. Apply this paste from roots till hair tip, all over your scalp. This paste can be in your hair for at least 20 minutes and now wash your hair. So you can wash your hair with your regular shampoo, but try to put some water along with your shampoo, dilute the content and then use over your hair, which is safer. Next, final day. Did you kept your rice water in the fridge, after you kept the rice in the room temperature for half a day? Take it out. As soon as you got up in the morning, take the rice water bowl out from the fridge. Let the coolness reduce. Whenever you are doing, like you may prefer morning or noon or evening shower. Let the coolness reduce before you use. Importantly, do not use the rice water directly over your hair. Fermented rice water is quite potent, so you may need to dilute it with a cup or 2 of warm water before use. Adjust according to your hair's needs, use more for dry hair and less for oily hair. Use this rice water with water, because you should not give your hair so much protein at once. Amino acid rich water, you should dilute it for best results. Some have noticed, after using rice water hair breakage increases. This is because you are using it directly without diluting it. How to use it? You can apply the hair water all over your scalp, mainly in the roots until hair tips before 10 minutes of your shower. Or, you can take your rice water to your bathroom and try to rinse your hair with this rice water at least for 7 minutes for best results. How long can we keep this water? Actually, you should keep this rice water in fridge. While taking the rice water for usage, try to use spoon, we mean do not touch it with your hands. So, if you follow, maximum a week. After that you can notice a foul smell. Actually, this is 30 minutes job to make the rice cooked and separating the water including soaking of rice time. You do not need to stand at one place looking at the rice all the time. Isn't it? How many times can we do this? Prepare when needed. Monthly twice. Use it for your hair. If excess, you can use it on your skin, face. Your bonus. You can use fermented rice water as a face cleanser or a skin toner. The nutrients in the fermented rice water can help shrink pores, reduce fine lines, and tighten and brighten your skin. This is a perfect recipe to look radiant and youthful. This can be done daily. Thank you for watching our video. Comment us your doubts and your benefits. Subscribe our channel for further useful videos.